Top 7 motorcycles perfect for beginners in 2025. Are you just getting into motorcycles and feeling overwhelmed by the choices? Whether you want something light, stylish, or easy to handle, this list is made just for you. These are the top 7 beginner motorcycles in 2025 that give you confidence, value, and pure riding joy without breaking the bank. Let's ride. 7. Honda CB300R Lightweight Confidence. The CB300R is a fan-favorite starter bike. It's lightweight, nimble, and comes with a Neo Sports Cafe style that doesn't scream entry-level. With just 317 pounds and 286 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, it's easy to learn on, yet exciting enough to keep. 6. Yamaha MT-03 Aggressive yet easy. Don't let the aggressive looks fool you. This bike is beginner-friendly to the core. The MT-03 features a 321 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine and upright position that's perfect for urban commuting and backroad fun. 5. Kawasaki Z400 Power meets balance. The Z400 hits the sweet spot between beginner and intermediate. A 399 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine delivers smooth power without being intimidating. Plus, its upright ergonomics help you stay in control. 4. Royal Enfield Hunter 350 Retro vibe for city riders. A retro-style bike that doesn't overwhelm. The Hunter 350 is simple, stylish, and smooth. Its 349 cubic centimeters engine offers just enough punch for city streets, while the low seat height boosts rider confidence. 3. Suzuki SV650 for confident newbies. Some might say it's too powerful for beginners, but with smooth throttle response and predictable handling, the SV650 is actually great for riders ready to level up fast. The V-twin engine is forgiving yet fun. 2. KTM Duke 200 Lightweight with attitude. Light, flickable, and full of attitude, the Duke 200 is perfect for urban riders who love agility. Despite its aggressive styling, this is one of the easiest bikes to ride in tight traffic. 1. Harley-Davidson X350 Cruiser style for starters. Want to ride a Harley but just starting out? The X350 is made for you. With a manageable weight and signature cruiser stance, this bike offers iconic style and beginner-friendly performance. No matter your budget or style, there's a beginner bike out there that fits you. Just remember, confidence grows with the right ride. Which one would you choose? Comment below and let's talk bikes.